Good morning, everyone. Welcome to my gold and silver update. I'm JR, 26th day of August 2019. We're looking at the gold and silver market today. Gold still breaking through new highs. Right now, that's the weekly chart. The weekly chart looks, it doesn't really look like on the weekly chart there's any more resistance left besides this area here. So we're really trading at resistance. It could go a little bit higher. I was targeting 15. My target was 15 and a half. That was the cup and handle formation target. We've reached that target. At this point, gold can technically find some resistance anywhere between 1580 all the way up to 1800. So at this point, it's just a matter of seeing what gold is going to do and how much higher this thing is going to go before taking a decent pullback, right? So the weekly chart, again, same thing. Again, cup and handle, target hit at 15 and a half. I think the market has a shot to maybe come back down here to 14, 13. I think everyone should pay attention to these dips. I think buying the dip is the only way to go when it comes for gold. And I also think that everyone should be looking at only long-term positions here, okay? If I'm looking at this chart here, the way I'm going to draw my lines are as follows, like this. And reason why is because this is a range, right? So I always connect the dots from the bottom of when the rally started to the lowest low of the range. So because this is the same range, I don't count this as a low, I count this as a low. So this is how my charts are going to look. And this is how I would expect the market to be supported, come down over here, and then continue to go higher. Those are big volatile moves. I don't know that we'll see that. Maybe we'll see something like this, right? And then higher. But again, really no signals indicating that gold is going to go much lower than 13 and a half. If it does, it should be very well supported, right? That's the gold market. Let's look at the daily chart here real quick. And yeah, just continuation patterns. You have a continuation pattern right over here. Okay, and it looks like gold is currently setting up another continuation pattern over here. Gold is having a hard time staying above 15 and a half, or maybe we're seeing some profit taking around 15 and a half. I'm looking for silver now. Silver, unlike gold, has broken above that continuation pattern. We do need to see a close above the 1750, 17 and a half level. And besides that, the monthly charts and the weekly charts are also looking very bullish. It looks like the silver market is looking to test the 18 and a quarter level. Above that level, we're looking at $21. I think silver, unlike gold, is still not out of trouble. Until silver can go above $21, that's when the bull market will really kick in, I think. I think that's when the psychology will switch, just like gold. And I think silver is going to outpace gold when it comes to the moves to the upside, okay? So again, this has been a level right here of resistance, then support, then support here and resistance here. So again, above $18, the next level would be 21. Above 21, kind of like gold, that's it. You have a giant breakout and it's only a matter of time before it hits 30, 31, 32. So again, this is the key level here to keep an eye out. This zone here, that is the level to keep an eye out. And again, it just looks like silver's created a very, very strong base. If you look at the monthly chart, we got a low here and another low here. That could be a double bottom. If you want to count this as a low, that would be a triple bottom, this giant wick here. But ultimately, every trend line this thing you can draw, it's broken. So even this trend line is broken, and also this trend line has also been broken here, right? So no matter how you do it, and I wouldn't draw it this way simply because this is not the highest high. But I wouldn't draw it like that anyway. But anyway, however you put it, it's still broken every level here, okay? Besides that, let's look at the Dow Jones very quickly. Dow Jones still within this broadening formation. I would look for the Dow Jones to continue to drop, and I would sell all the rallies. That's what I'm doing. But yeah, it doesn't look like the Dow Jones has the strength to go above. We'll see what happens. I hope you enjoyed the video. We'll see you next time.